Always scan this section. Ease of Access Center. Make your computer easier to use. You can use the tools in this section to help you get started. Windows can read and scan this list automatically. Press the space bar to select the highlighted tool. Start magnifier. Start narrator. Start on-screen keyboard. Set up high contrast. You have selected Microsoft and English United States as the computer's default voice.
Microsoft Narrator, dial. Foreground, F1, foreground window, network connect, foreground window, foreground window, foreground, foreground, foreground window, foreground, pop-up, foreground window, pop-up stop, alt, system, foreground window, foreground window, foreground window, cat, foreground window, B, R, enter, D, foreground window, pop-up stop, foreground window, foreground window, foreground window, foreground window, micro, pot, about, foreground window, foreground window, foreground window, pot, foreground, pot, foreground window, foreground window, foreground window, new connection hot, foreground, foreground window.